Go for it together. Go for it together. 3.
No, just no. Not my type.
So Diami had picked that one. Just Diablos. She's doing like good. Kenai's dying. He's dying. You dying?
Let's do this one. Then, let's do this one.
Okay, hold on. All right. So we're gonna find out from the man from the store which one's hotter than that.
Mr.
Uno, dos, tres. Nah.
You call Mercy yet, Kenai? You call Mercy?
A little bit.
Hold on, let's see how it sits though, folks.
Never mind.
No.
Okay, no hassle.
For me. It's not right here.
Okay, hold on. Hold on.
It's not right here for me.
Wow, okay. So that one's the Mr. Pain. What are you doing? What was that? Why you want something to drink, Kenai? Did you take more than you can handle?
Yes.
And man, that was a teeny tiny drop that I put on those. So you all see his reactions. Now look at this one.
What?
Exactly. Lord,
Take a drink, but
see
not
how
together.
calm and natural. They sampled the same exact stuff, and only one of them is having an adverse reaction.
Maybe I should never try hot sauce in my life.
But he thought he could handle it. He asked for it. He begged for it. What are we getting? Okay. All right. So, we'll give you an update later if he dies or not. See y'all soon.
I gotta go pee.